Hi guys, welcome back to Learning at Home. Hope everyone's having a good week, or at least a good start to your week. Looking ahead this week, I think you'll find this week is actually really kind of a fun week because last week you did all the work to put your presentations up, and hopefully that is complete by now. But now you have a week to enjoy everyone else's presentations. So you get to go back through and watch those presentations. What I do want you to do as you go through, I kind of divided it up this week into, since there are basically 9 of you, if you do 3 a day, you should have them all done. You can do them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday if you want, kick them out of the way and be done for the week. Your call. But if you take a look, if you look at the first group of video presentations, you may have to go back to last week's assignments where you posted those videos and find them. So I know some people may have used Flipgrid, others of you just uploaded videos and things like that. So what I need you to do is go back and find those videos where they're posted, click on the links or pull up the videos and watch those, and then comment with any questions or feedback so that we can see. So when it's all done, everyone should have a nice long line of comments and feedback. If you end up going to Flipgrid and watching a video on Flipgrid, you can right on Flipgrid do a quick little video and give them your thoughts, ask questions, give them glows and grows, those sorts of things. When you do that, remember, if you're doing grows, you're keeping things kind of helpful and useful. You're not criticizing in a mean way. You're just trying to help people see things where maybe they could have done a little better. If you're doing glows, things that were awesome, I don't want you to just say, hey, great presentation. I really want you to put some thought into it. What specifically did you like about their presentation? What did you learn from their presentation? What did you find interesting? Those are the sorts of things that you can focus on as you go forward through that. And basically, guys, that is it for this week. If you look, you have 3 here, 3 on Friday or whenever you decide to do it. And at that point, you should have watched everyone's presentations just like we would have in class, and then we'll be ready to move on to new stuff next week. So enjoy this week. Don't forget to make your comments and posts to people. And if you have any questions, make sure you pop in any of the office hours or send me a video. Cool. Hope you have a good week. Miss you guys. Bye.